Hello everyone, welcome to my home. So today I received my first package from Santa Barbara Chocolate. Really excited. I'm about to unbox it and I was wondering if you guys would like to see what's in the box. Is their cocoa powder, and I just have to say that I'm going to be having a lot of fun with this. I'm going to be making hot chocolate, chocolate cookies, chocolate cake, chocolate pancakes, chocolate puff puff. So you guys stay tuned. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, the chocolate bar. Oh my gosh. I love organic chocolate bar. Okay, next time I do a video, I'm going to do a taste test. So you guys stay tuned. And shout out to Santa Barbara Chocolate for sending me this wonderful package. I can't wait to sample it and let you guys know how it is.